Hello you, how are you doing? So I left you in the Philippines, nice and warm. Here I am in Italy in the cold winter. Still beautiful. We are in the area of Gavi Ligure, which is in the north of Italy, where I live actually. Some of the best wines in the world come from this area right here. So today I want to talk to you about a couple of accessories for my GoPro which I need when I film my POVs photography, street photography videos that you've seen on my channel. And the accessories are right here. We're gonna talk about it right now. So if you've been following me on my channel, you might have seen some of these POV videos I'm talking about. And first of all, I'm using a GoPro 10. The accessories we'll discuss in this video are by the brand Ulanzi. Ulanzi basically creates modular item and accessories for different and the biggest camera brands out there. And I've made other reviews about actually bigger cameras, cages, so you go and check it out here on my channel. And I will put in the description tab all the links of the products we are talking about today. The first item we're going to check out is the cage I've got around my GoPro Hero 10. This is the G9-4 cage. It's made of plastic and it can be used on the GoPro from Hero 9 to 12, the latest version. Why do I need a cage for my GoPro? First of all, for protection. Yes, the GoPro is an action camera, but still sometimes we don't treat them well. So it's for just keep my camera safer. The second reason, which for me is more important than the first reason actually, it's because this particular cage comes with the room, with the space made to hold the microphone adapter by GoPro. I had recorded a lot of videos and I was walking around before with my GoPro and the microphone adapter just hanging all over the place, and then I found this cage and it changed everything because now it can stay into place without really bothering me, you know what I mean, without having cables all over my shoulders and bag. The third reason why I got the cage is also because I can rig up my GoPro, meaning that I can mount a microphone on top of the GoPro as well, and if I wanted to, also a light, for example, like a proper camera. In terms of the features of this cage, we have two cold shoe adapters, 1 and 2 right here. We have a filter ring which we can place on top of our lens in case we want to use a polarizer, UV or ND filter. That's a 52 millimeters diameter adapter. We have a lens cover literally on top of the lens, which of course we can remove, and we have a side door built in the cage, so we actually have to remove the GoPro side door for the battery, and we can use the one on the cage for quick access to the battery, for example, as well. And it's very helpful to keep your GoPro into place when it's inside the cage. The price for the G9-4 at the moment is $18, which has been discounted from $24. You can also find a metal cage, which is a bit more solid, but also a bit more expensive. And I actually chose the plastic one because I want to travel lighter. That's the only reason why. Let's go to the second item I want to talk about, and it's the Ulanzi Claw Clip Shoulder Strap Quick Release Mount 2684, which is literally this thing right here. As mentioned, it's a quick release system. It has two buttons. I just press them and pull my GoPro out of the mount, and now I'm ready to vlog. If I wanted to, I can literally switch from handheld to shoulder mount in a second and place it back in when I want to do my POV videos like so. Really, really useful when I'm around and I'm filming on my own, as always. But this accessory basically keeps my GoPro into place on my shoulder when I'm doing POV street photography videos, and actually when I snowboard as well. And you might see some very soon right here on the channel. This system is made of metal. It's very solid, nice build, And also, it's not made just for the GoPro, but also for the bigger cameras. It can support a payload up to 2.5 kilos. And actually, I use it as well for my FX3 or Sony a7R III with the bigger lenses. Very useful when you're tired to hold the cameras in your hand. You just screw your camera on the quick release plate and you place your camera right here on your shoulder, but also on your belt, around your belt if you wanted to do so. To place it around your shoulder strap, for example, or your belt, it's very simple. You open it up because it's made of two different plates, and then you have a notch that can be opened and also a screw on the other side. And the good thing is that it comes with a wrench. So it's like a coin, and that allows you to screw in or out your plates. The price of this system is $49.95 on the Ulanzi website. Once again, all the links in the description tab. How I use it personally, in two different ways, according to the type of microphone and the type of videos I'm recording. So when I'm in POV mode, for street photography again, for example, I use it as it is right now, and I'm using a cold shoe to support a wireless microphone system. So I would place the receiver of the microphone in one of the cold shoes and place the lapel microphone here on my body. But when I'm actually vlogging, I'll take it out and I could place, for example, a directional microphone in one of the cold shoes and use it like that. So it's very versatile as well, very useful. I totally recommend to go and check it out. And there you go. These are the two accessories I've been using when I do POV street photography videos on my YouTube channel. And also when I vlog, when I travel. I just went to the Philippines and that's one of the ways I was filming my videos with. So I hope the video helped out. Of course, as always, consider to subscribe. A lot of new stuff coming up. If you're interested in traveling as well, I have another channel where I give travel tips. So definitely go and subscribe there to support the community, be part of this community. And if you also like entertainment in terms of performing arts, I have a different channel where I do singing and acting. So go and check that out too. God bless. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to enjoy these beautiful landscapes right here. See you soon.